Well, it's time for that parking lot sale. June 1st through June 4th for Inside Track Club members, and June 5th through 7th for everybody else. First, we're going to go over the Icon. It's saving 35% off all Icon wrench sets. Let's just jump right into it. The Icon Anti-Slip Grip Professional SAE Combination Wrench Set, 14 pieces, normally $129.99 with the parking lot sale discount down to $84.49. Then we got the Icon Professional Large Metric Combination Wrench Set, 5-piece, normally $70.99 with the discount coming down to $51.99. That's 35% off. This is the specs on that. So it goes from 20 millimeters to 24 millimeters. Next, we have the Icon Anti-Slip Grip Professional Metric Combination Wrench Set, 14 pieces, normally $129.99 down to $84.49. And this does have that anti-slip bite to it, so to speak, and it gets really great reviews. It's a good price. Here's the specs on that. It goes from 6 millimeters up to 19 millimeters. And then you can see the product links there if you're interested. Pretty standard stuff there. And this is for the SAE, same version. It goes from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. Next, we have the Icon Professional Metric Combination Wrench Set, 14 pieces. Normally $119.99 down to $77.99. This does not include the anti-slip or technique or engineering. This set goes from 6 millimeters up to 19 millimeters also. Then we have the Icon Professional Large Reversible SAE Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. This is a 7-piece. Normally this thing is $199.99. This set now is $129.99 during the parking lot sale. And this goes from 13/16 to 1 1/4 inch. Next, we have the Icon Professional Stubby SAE Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. It's a 7-piece set, normally $79.99. During the sale, $51.99. That set goes from 3/8 inch up to 3/4 inch for those stubbies. Then we have the Icon Professional SAE Angled Opened End Wrench Set. This is a 7-piece, normally $59.99, coming down to $38.99 during the sale. This goes from 3/8 inch up to 3/4 inch. And then if you get the metric size, it goes from 10 millimeter to 17 millimeter. Then we have the Icon Professional S-shaped metric wrench set. This is a 5-piece. Normal price is $49.99. During the sale, $32.49. This set goes from 10 millimeters up to 19 millimeters. And as you can see, it's like 10 on one end, 12 on the next end, 11 on one end, 13 on the next end, that kind of thing. I could probably zoom in, maybe. You see what I'm saying? There's 15. And this side's 14. So anyway, that's the way they stagger those. And then if you get the SAE version, it goes from 5/16 of an inch up to 7/8. Then we have the Icon 3/8 inch drive professional crowfoot wrench set. This is 11-piece, normally $64.99. It's going to be $42.24 during the sale. This goes from 3/8 inch up to 1 inch. And the metric version goes from 10 millimeter to 19 millimeter. Next, we have the Icon Professional Flex Head SAE Ratcheting Combination Wrench. This is an 8-piece set, $139.99 normally, down to $90.99 during the sale. And the sizes are from 5/16 up to 3/4 of an inch. Next, we have the Icon Professional Flex Head Metric Ratcheting Combination Wrench. This was a 12-piece set, normally $199.99. It's going down to $129.99 with the 35% discount. This set goes from 8 millimeters up to 19 millimeters, so it's covering a very good range. Then we have the Icon Extra Long Professional Metric Double Box Ratcheting Wrench 10-piece set. Normally $199.99 down to $129.99. This set goes from 10 millimeters up to 19 millimeters. And then we have the SAE version in a 7-piece, normally $149.99 down to $97.49 with the discount. This set goes from 3/8 inch up to 3/4 of an inch. Then we have an Icon Professional Metric Offset Box Wrench set. This is a 5-piece. Normal price is $49.99. The discount brings it down to $32.49. This goes in sizes from 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And the SAE version goes from 3/8 inch up to 7/8 of an inch. And I believe that's all for the Icons. There are several others. I just chose a good sampling of what I feel like are some of the best buys. So I hope you found some value in this. And if you did, please give me a like and a subscribe and watch for my next video. So until that next one, y'all take care.